finally share my beauty room with you guys. This is what you see when you first walk into the room. I have my vanity set up right here. This is my client chair for when I do clients. All of my makeup is organized in these drawers. I have my foundations and all my brushes up on this shelf, all my skincare and setting sprays up there. I have my daily brushes over here that I use, my sponges. I have, I'm not sure why this is open, but I have little drawers with my daily things like tweezers there. This is my ring light that I use when I do clients. There's all my sprays, body oils, my perfumes. This is my fave, The Body by KKW Beauty. Here are my 2 favorite books of Kimmy that I've gotten a while ago. Sometimes I just actually look through these books for makeup inspiration because, like, honestly, I just turned to this page. It's funny. I love old school Kim looks. Like this, I die for a bright under eye with a lot of blush. Like, that's such a cute look. So yeah, I have these here for inspiration. Then moving on over here, I have some of my eyeshadow palettes. These are 2 new ones that I just recently picked up. Some of my travel makeup bags that I use when I do traveling, a Morphe bag, more palettes. And then moving on to this corner is just a little metal stool that I got at like Five Below, and I usually just put my purse there. And then here is my dream catcher wall. I'm obsessed with dream catchers, always have been, just like my mom. And then I recently just added these lights actually around the closet area here. I love the aesthetic that it gives off. My wife got me this. It says Mrs. after we got married. And then here is just a little jewelry box, furniture display. I have all my jewelry in here, necklaces on the sides. And then I have this really awesome candle. It smells delicious, my business cards, and a salt lamp. Over in this corner is just like my daily corner for when I'm getting ready. My hair products are on this shelf, all my headbands, clips. My wife got me this cute little light picture thing. In this drawer I have some sunglasses. The second drawer is like stuff if I need to like repair something, so some craft stuff in there. This is like bras and one pieces and more bras. In this drawer I have some hair accessories, and then the bottom drawer is nail and bath accessories. So moving on to the mirror, this is my mirror setup that I have. Had this mirror for a while now, since our old house. I love this mirror. The details on it is amazing. When the door is closed, I have a huge dream catcher right here, another wall sticker, and my calendar. And then there are the closets. The top shelf is all heels. So is the second shelf. I definitely want to paint, I think, all of these shelves. They were here when we moved in. They're chipped. Did lay marble contact paper on this top shelf because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do all of them like that, but I think I just want to paint all of this white. On the second shelf I have more heels, sandals. I have my 2 wigs in the back. I'll show you that side from the other side of the door. On this shelf I have this cute little rose bear from Dose of Roses. This bin has all my lash products and things for my lashes. This is just bins filled with random bags because I have so many. Down here I have some sneakers, some sandals. Side of the closet so we can see better. I have all my hanging purses right here, and my luggage. Behind the luggage is more bags, and my chair massager slash foot massager, which I love to use while getting ready for the night. Over on this side of the closet, I have some storage up here. I have some long dresses and some dressy outfits that are hung up in here, but all of my other clothes are in my actual bedroom's closet. And here I have a shelf of sneakers, my first pair of ones that my wife just bought me. I have my shelf of Crocs, all my slippers, some more bags, little bags that I haven't used yet, that I just got. On this side, I have a container full of all my hats and some more bags because I have so many freaking bags, I don't understand. And then here are my sneakers on my sneaker rack that I love. Brielle says I need to display my sneakers better because I have some heat in here, but this will do. And then of course, there she is, the wedding gown. This is where she lives. Perfect in the corner of my closet, and that's her own little area. That's pretty much my room, you guys. In here, sometimes I just come in here and chill. Here's me looking crazy. It's a Sunday. You know, I'm usually cleaning and cooking today, but I was like, let me film this video. Why not? I just cleaned and organized this room so it looks great, and I was like, let me get it on film. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it inspires somebody to go out there and create your dream closet room, because this honestly has been a work in progress, and it's finally to where I really am so happy with it. This is where I keep all my hair tools, under my desk. Forgot to show you that. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.